Tazawur from Bangladesh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, Sheikh.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
I hope I find you well.
Alhamdulillah.
Sheikh, we know that the name al-Lateef is a name of Allah. I was asking on how we could use this name in our du'as.
Al-Lateef has a number of meanings. So it is the subtle, the unfelt, something that happens in secrecy, and it shows us that how Allah Azza wa Jal delivers to us His bounties, His favors and blessings without us feeling it. So Allah Azza wa Jal is also one of the meanings of al-Lateef, the kind. And it has a number of meanings. You will go back to my YouTube channel and see the playlist of the beautiful names of Allah, and it's there, inshallah. You can ask Allah for whatever kindness you want of Him and use the name al-Lateef. And I always give the example of Allah's kindness. The lights in the studio is so strong in my face, and it's almost blinding. Imagine if it was pitch black, dark, and all of a sudden they turn on these lights. I'll be blinded. And this is one of the meanings of al-Lateef when we look at Allah's beautiful actions. Imagine in the darkness of the night, if the sun were to all of a sudden in a second comes up in the middle of the sky. The light of the sun would blind people. Yet Allah makes it rise little by little, and your eyes get accustomed to the light, and when it's broad daylight, you're fine and you see things and nothing happens. And the same thing when the sun sets. If all of a sudden it's pitch black, people would have accidents and would fall on their faces, but the sun goes gradually and the darkness creeps in little by little until you are accustomed and acquainted with it. So maybe this is one of the ways, and Allah knows best.